we've been boring for about 2 years now. I think the thing we like most about Boring is how it helps us manage our camera system. My favorite feature about Boring is probably the camera snapshot report, because we still have some analog cameras on our campus, and it helps us determine if they're out or not. So an example of how Boring has made my life less boring would be Jackie, who runs our Boring for us. She's in a better mood now that we have Boring. So we have had a chance to work with the Boring team, and they're very responsive. They listen to our needs, and they've added features based on our feedback. Boring Toolbox probably saves us a full-time employee. So 40 hours a week, so 160 hours a month. It just helps us know outages quicker, respond quicker, and keep the cameras up 100% of the time. We continue, and we will continue to recommend Boring. Boring should be on every video system, just for the amount of time it saves you, real-time stuff, the reporting's nice, and the support is great. I'm much more boring now than I used to be.